Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje Pune. We will continue the chapter real number. Today we will learn similar surd and practice at 2.3. First, what is the meaning of similar surd or like surd? Two surd are said to be like surd if their order is equal and radicands are equal. For example, if P and Q are rational number, then P into root A and Q into root A are called like surd because the order of both surd is equal and radicand A is also equal. Therefore, P into root A and Q into root A are like surd or similar surd. In short, in the simplest form of the surd, if the order of the surd and radicands are equal, then the surds are similar or like surd. That means first we have to write both surds are in their simplest form. Here root 2 comma negative 3 into root 2 comma 8 into root 2 comma 4 upon 5 into root 2 are some like surd. Here all these surds have order is equal and radicands also equal, and these all surds are in their simplest form. That means we can't find the factors of radicand. Therefore all these surds are like surd. Classify the given pair of surd into like and unlike surd. To classify the given surds in like or unlike surd, first we have to write both surds are in their simplest form. First example is square root of 52 and 5 into square root of 13. First we write both surds in simplest form. Tell me, the first surd is given square root of 52. First we write these surds in simplest form. First observe the order of surd. The order of surd is 2, which is minimum. Now which is the radicand? Yes, 52 is radicand. Can you split this 52 into two factors? Yes, we split this 52 into two factors. Tell me, 52 will be divided by which perfect square number? Here 52 will be divided by perfect square number 4. Therefore, 52 has two factors 4 and 13. That means square root of 52 is equal to square root of 4 into 13. इथे लक्षात घ्या आपल्याला स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 52 वी हॅव टू राईट दिस इन सिम्पलेस्ट फॉर्म. मग पहिलं काय पाहायचं इथे ऑर्डर ऑफ सर्ड ते ऑलरेडी मिनिमम आहे. मग 52 चे दोन फॅक्टर असे पाहिजे की त्यातला एक फॅक्टर हा परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर नंबर पाहिजे. का तर ऑर्डर ऑफ सर्ड इज 2 म्हणून आपण एक फॅक्टर हा परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर नंबर पाहतोय. दॅट मीन्स 52 इज नथिंग बट 4 into 13. Taking separate square root, that means root 4 into root 13, but 4 is the square of 2. Therefore root 4 is equal to how much? 2 into root 13 at it is. Here the second surd is already in their simplest form because the order of surd is minimum and we can't find the factors of radicand. Therefore 5 root 13, which is the second surd, and simplest form of the first surd is nothing but 2 into root 13 are like terms. That means root of 52 and 5 root 13 are like terms. Second example, 4 into root 18 comma 7 into root 2. First we have to write both surds are in their simplest form. Observe the first surd is given 4 into root 18. Here 4 is the coefficient. Tell me order of surd is 2, which is minimum. Can you split this radicand 18 into two factors such that its one factor is perfect square number? Yes, we split this 18 into two factor in which one factor is the perfect square number. That means 9 2s are 18, where 9 is the perfect square number. Therefore, we find the two factors of radicand 9 and 2. Therefore, the square root of 18 is nothing but square root of 9 into 2. Now we take a separate square root, but 9 is the square of 3. Therefore, root 9 is nothing but 3. Therefore, 4 into square root of 9 is nothing but 3 into square root of 2 at it is. Now we take multiplication of 4 and 3. 4 3s are how much? 12. Root 2 at it is. This is equation number 2. Now, which is the second surd? 7 root 2. already 7 root 2 is in their simplest form, because the order of surd is 2, which is minimum, and radicand is 2. We can't split or find the two factors of radicand. Therefore 7 root 2 is in their simplest form. From equation 1 and 2, observe these are two like surd. The order of surd is same. Yes, both surd have order 2, which is same, and radicand is also same. Therefore from 1 and 2 we say that the 4 root 18 and 7 root 2 are like surd. Third example, root of 75 and 5 root 5. First way to write both surds are in their simplest form. The first surd is given square root of 75. Tell me order of surd, which is 2, and this is order of surd is already minimum. Now can you split 75 into two factors? Yes, we split this 75 into two factors, by which perfect square number 75 will be divided. 75 will be divided by perfect square number 25. Therefore 25 3s are 75. We take separate square root here. Root of 25 into root 3. Tell me the square root of 25. 5 into root 3 at it is, because 25 is the square of 5. Therefore root of 25 is nothing but 5 into root 3. This is equation number 2. Equation number 1. Now we write the second surd, 5 into root 5. Here order of surd is 2, which is minimum, and which is the radicand? 5 is the radicand. We can't split this 5 into two factors. Therefore 5 into root 5 is already in their simplest form. From equation 1 and 2, root of 75 is nothing but 5 root 3, and 5 root 5 is equal to 5 root 5. Here order of surd is equal, but the radicand of first surd is 3 and that of second surd is 5, which is not same, or which is not equal. Therefore from 1 and 2 we say that both surds have their order equal but radicands are different. Therefore root 75 and 5 root 5 are unlike surd. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Also share this video and like this video. Thank you.